I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Epic Games account on all devices. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.epicgames.com, and then sign into your Epic Games account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Epic Games homepage. Step 2. Click your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Account in this menu. Your Roblox settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Password and Security in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to the Sign Out Everywhere at the bottom of this menu and then click Sign Out Everywhere. Enter the security code that gets sent to your preferred authentication method and then click Sign Out Everywhere again. A window pops up letting you know that you've successfully signed out of all other sessions that are using your Epic Games account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.